Dutch oven versus slow cooker comparison. Which one saves more time? Hey there, busy home cooks. Let me guess. You're standing in your kitchen right now, staring at your Dutch oven and slow cooker, wondering which one will actually save you more time. Trust me, as someone who's cooked thousands of meals in professional kitchens, I get it. Today we're settling this debate once and for all. Before we dive in, imagine knowing exactly which tool to grab for every recipe, never second-guessing your choice again. Sounds good? Let's break it down. The dilemma. Here's what most home cooks struggle with. You own both appliances, but default to the same one every time. You're not sure which one actually saves more time. You've heard conflicting advice about which is better. You want to cook more efficiently, but don't know where to start. The head-to-head comparison. Let's put these kitchen workhorses through their paces in real-world scenarios. 1. Initial time investment. Slow cooker. Prep time. 15 to 20 minutes. Drop ingredients in and go. No monitoring needed. Total hands-on time. 20 minutes max Dutch. Oven. Prep time. 15 to 20 minutes. Initial browning. 10 to 15 minutes. Occasional checking required. Total hands-on time. 45 to 60 minutes. Pro tip. Slow cooker wins for hands-off cooking, but Dutch oven offers more control. 2. Cooking speed comparison. Slow cooker, 4 to 8 hours cooking time, can't speed up process, best for set and forget. Perfect for workday cooking. Dutch oven, 1 to 4 hours cooking time, can adjust heat for faster results, more versatile timing, great for weekend cooking. Pro tip, Dutch oven wins for speed when you're actually home to monitor it. 3. Meal prep efficiency. Slow cooker, one-pot convenience, no browning capability, limited texture variety, great for bulk cooking. Dutch oven, one-pot cleanup, built-in browning, multiple cooking methods, perfect for batch cooking. Pro tip, Dutch oven wins for meal prep variety, slow cooker wins for convenience. The real time savers. Now, here's what professionals know about maximizing each tool. Dutch oven. Time-saving tricks. 1. Preheat while you prep ingredients. 2. Brown multiple batches at once. 3. Use residual heat for longer cooking. 4. Create one-pot meals. Pro tip, a Dutch oven on low heat works like a slow cooker, but with more options. Slow cooker. Time-saving secrets. 1. Prep ingredients night before. 2. Use liner bags for easy cleanup. 3. Program delayed start times. 4. Make multiple meals at once. Pro tip, modern slow cookers with timers are game changers for scheduling. When to use which? Here's your definitive guide. Use your slow cooker when you're away all day, making soups or stews, cooking tough meat cuts, need hands-off cooking, want to cook overnight. Pro tip, slow cookers excel at dump-and-go recipes. Use your Dutch oven when you're home to monitor, need to brown ingredients, want crusty bread, making smaller portions, need quick results. Pro tip, Dutch ovens are more versatile but require more attention. The surprise finding. Here's what might shock you. 1. Dutch ovens actually cook faster. 2. Slow cookers use less energy. 3. Both can make the same recipes. 4. Quality of results varies by dish. Real-world time test. I tested the same beef stew recipe in both. Slow cooker. Prep time, 15 minutes. Cook time, 8 hours. Hands-on time, 20 minutes. Total time, 8 hours, 20 minutes. Dutch oven. Prep time, 15 minutes. Cook time, 3 hours. Hands-on time, 45 minutes. Total time, 3 hours, 45 minutes. The verdict. The real time saver is slow cooker for hands-off cooking time, Dutch oven for actual cooking speed. But here's the plot twist. The best time saver depends on your schedule. Bonus pro tips. 1. Time-saving combos. Use slow cooker for stocks and beans. Use Dutch oven for quick braises. Prep for both on weekends. Plan your meals ahead. 2. Maintenance shortcuts. Clean while still warm. Use liners when possible. Keep tools nearby. Store properly. Taking action. Ready to maximize your time in the kitchen? Here's your game plan. 1. Assess your weekly schedule. 2. Plan meals according to your time at home. 3. Prep ingredients in advance. 4. Choose the right tool for each recipe. The perfect choice isn't about which tool is better, it's about which one fits your lifestyle better. What's your experience with these kitchen workhorses? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you want more time-saving kitchen tips, hit that subscribe button and join our community of efficient home chefs. Quick question: are you Team Dutch Oven or Team Slow Cooker? Let us know in the comments. Remember to like this video and click the notification bell to stay updated with more kitchen comparison guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll tackle another kitchen challenge together.